When it comes to maintaining the comfort, energy efficiency, and curb appeal of your home in Layton, few things are as important as your windows. Whether you are replacing outdated or damaged windows, improving energy efficiency, or boosting your home's aesthetic appeal, choosing the right window replacement service can make all the difference. In this guide, we'll walk you through the essentials of Layton window replacement services, from understanding your options to finding the right provider. Why replace your windows? Windows play a crucial role in your home's energy efficiency, comfort, and overall design. Here are some key reasons why homeowners consider window replacement. Energy efficiency. Modern window designs feature advanced materials and double or triple glazing options that help prevent heat transfer, saving you money on heating and cooling costs. Curb appeal. Replacing old or outdated windows with new, stylish models can dramatically improve your home's exterior look and value. Comfort and noise reduction. High-quality windows can reduce outdoor noise and help regulate indoor temperatures, making your home quieter and more comfortable. Safety and security. Newer windows often come with enhanced security features, offering improved protection for your home and loved ones. Choosing the right replacement windows. There are several important factors to consider when choosing replacement windows for your home. Here are a few key considerations. Material options. Vinyl windows. Durable, low maintenance, and energy efficient, vinyl windows are a popular choice for many homeowners due to their affordability and weather resistance. Wood windows. Known for their classic appearance and excellent insulation properties, wood windows require more maintenance but offer a timeless aesthetic. Fiberglass windows. These windows offer excellent durability, energy efficiency, and minimal maintenance requirements. Aluminum windows. Lightweight and strong, aluminum frames work well for large window installations but can be less energy efficient compared to other options. Window styles. Single or double-hung windows. These traditional styles offer operable sashes that slide vertically, allowing for customizable ventilation. Casement windows. These windows open outward with a crank mechanism, offering good ventilation and a tight seal when closed. Sliding windows. Ideal for wider window spaces, these move horizontally for easy operation and low maintenance. Bay and bow windows. For a touch of elegance and more natural light, bay or bow windows project outward, creating additional interior space. Picture windows. Fixed and non-operable, picture windows offer expansive views and allow plenty of natural light into a room. Finding the right window replacement service in Layton. To ensure a successful window replacement project, you'll need to find a trusted provider. Here are some key steps to finding the best service for your needs. Research local providers. Look for window replacement companies in Layton with good reputations and positive customer reviews. Check online reviews, ask for references, and seek recommendations from friends and neighbors. Licensing and certification. Confirm that the provider is licensed, insured, and certified to handle window replacement in your area. Professional certifications indicate a commitment to high-quality workmanship and service standards. Product quality. Ask about the brands and products the company offers. Quality materials and reputable manufacturers are key to long-lasting results. Experience. Choose a company with experience in window installation, especially for homes in Layton's climate. An experienced installer will be familiar with local building codes and the unique challenges posed by the area's weather conditions. Warranties. Inquire about warranties for both products and installation. This protects your investment and ensures you have recourse if something goes wrong. Cost and financing. Get multiple quotes and compare prices, keeping in mind that the lowest price is not always the best value. Ask about financing options if you need them. Benefits of professional window replacement. Working with a professional window replacement service offers numerous benefits. Proper installation. Professional installers ensure your windows are installed correctly, preventing air leaks, water damage, and energy loss. Safety. Pros have the tools, knowledge, and expertise to handle window replacement safely. Time savings. A trained team can complete your window replacement quickly and efficiently, minimizing disruption to your home life. Final thoughts. Replacing your windows is a significant investment that can enhance your home's appearance, energy efficiency, and value. By choosing the right materials, styles, and professional installers in Layton, you can make the process smooth and rewarding. Consider all your options, take your time to select a reputable provider, and enjoy the benefits of a more beautiful and comfortable home.